Hello friends! Today I am bringing an awesome video and I hope this video will make your life easier. I will tell you 3 useful gadgets which will be very helpful for you. First of all, please make sure to like our videos and subscribe our channel. So let's start. Introducing the 2024 Dog Bark Deterrent Device. Tired of constant barking from your own or a neighbor's dog? The 2024 release Dog Bark Deterrent Device is your solution. This device uses long-range ultrasonic sound to stop bad behavior without the need for yelling or physical correction. Simply point and press the button to emit a harmless sound only dogs can hear, effectively training them to behave better. It's a humane alternative to painful shock collars, ensuring a stress-free environment for both you and your pet. I hope this gadget will make your life easier. The link is given in the description. Buy it quickly but after watching the full video. Introducing Narrator. With 3000 lumens, this light is incredibly bright, lighting up your entire workspace. Its magnetic base and hooks let you place it anywhere, giving you hands-free convenience. Featuring a 5200 mAh rechargeable battery and IP54 waterproof rating, this light is built to last, perfect for mechanics, DIY projects, or emergencies. This work light has got you covered. Get your 3000 lm bright LED work light today and see the difference. This is Gadget telescope, an ideal choice for beginners and kids interested in stargazing. With a 70mm aperture and 400mm focal length, it offers clear views of the moon, planets, and more. The AS mount allows for easy tracking of objects. It's user-friendly, comes with a phone adapter and a wireless remote, making it easy to capture photos. For beginners, the Gadget telescope is a fantastic choice. Affordable, easy to use, and great for exploring the night sky. Hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel to watch more videos like this.